Arcadiana, the Wind Riders, are a skilled group of individuals specialized in navigating the skies. Known for their ability to ride the wind currents, soaring through the air with grace and speed. The Wind Riders are highly respected by all, trained from a young age to master the art of gliding. The birds of Arcadiana, those wondrous creatures of the sky, hold a place of great importance in the society of this land. They are not just symbols of freedom and flight. Reading the wind currents and navigating through the sky using their knowledge of aerodynamics. The time has come to follow the birds and let them lead the way. Are you ready to witness the magic? Rise up to the music of Afrojack.